Once you have completed the course, you can take the final exam. We have prepared 50 questions for you to answer. They cover the full range of topics presented in the course. In order to pass the exam, you must answer at least 80% of the questions correctly. You can retake the exam as many times as you wish, but the questions will not repeat. When you have passed the exam, you will receive your Lingua Sunrise certificate, both in English and in Norwegian. It is not possible to print out the certificate in A4 format if you have not passed the exam. The Lingua Sunrise course is designed for students who are just beginning their adventure with Norwegian. At present, there are no online courses like it. None of those that are available can offer you so many features and tools as the Lingua Sunrise course. They are all here, just one click away, waiting for you to discover them. We wish you good luck and hope you join us.